We can be so intentional about our indoor living spaces, but what about our outdoor living spaces? CC Patio in Scottsdale is redefining the art of outdoor living.
Outdoor living is a big part of people's life, and I felt like it was neglected, and not many people were given enough attention to it that it deserved. And I thought it was a great idea to custom design and manufacture some high quality furniture.
What can they expect when they come to CC Patio as opposed to going to a big box retailer?
Well, you don't come here to pick a piece of furniture that isn't existent and try to fit to your space. What we do is we build around your space, and we make everything designed for you specifically, from the size, from the purpose, and from the colors. And that's something that takes a lot of attention to detail.
Would you walk us through the process from start to finish of what that looks like?
Absolutely, be happy to do that. Would you like to follow me to our design room, and I kind of give you an idea?
Let's go check it out.
Let's go. So this is our design room. Well, basically we'll send one of our architect, one of our designer to our client's home. Since our furniture is extremely substantial and heavy duty, we want to make sure it's the right fit. That's how the inspiration of doing an on-site consultation started. Well, we basically come to your home and measure and take pictures. So this is one of our clients' house, and we have your platform. So now we know how much space we have.
Yeah.
The right fit is really important for us. So we start by selecting the frame.
Okay.
We have 6 different colors, as you see here. Our frames are made from steel or aluminum.
Okay.
So for most clients in Arizona, we use steel. For our clients around the ocean, between 7 miles of ocean, we recommend to use aluminum. After the frame color, we go with our fabric selection. We use Umbrella, which is the leading outdoor fabric that comes with 5-year warranty, and many colors. Another important piece of our furniture, which is our tabletops, a hard surface.
Yes.
So we use this stuff called Becton. We import it from Spain. It's a wonderful hard surface, indestructible. 25-year warranty, you can't scratch, it's ultra dense, heat resistant, doesn't change color in Arizona weather under direct sun. 32 different colors to choose from. Once you pick the Becton, the fabric and the frame, then we insert everything in your otherwise black and white furniture. And then you get to see your furniture before we actually build it. Every project is different, is unique, and to us is fun. We make friends with our client, we'll go out to dinner with them. It's not a hello, thank you, write the check. No, it's a teamwork. It's fun.
Every project is going to be different, but every project is going to get the love, the care, and the attention to detail. If you're interested in CC Patio and you want to find out more information or get your next piece of beautifully customized furniture from here, you can head over to their website or call the number that you see on your screen right now.